Drones aren't just flying cameras. They're also the modern version of remote-controlled vehicles, and they've made flying more comfortable. They've also made it more accessible thanks to intelligent collision sensors that protect your investment from mishap. Drones have become increasingly easy to operate and have become even better at taking aerial photos and video. But that makes finding the best drone all that much more difficult. So if you're looking for one, we have arranged a list of all categories. Take a look at the description below to see all of the featured products and their buying link. Drone stands best in portability and in price according to our research. Weighing in at just under 9 ounces, its weight class is both lower and safer than many other drones, which may exempt it from specific regulations. Its smaller size enables it to stay in the air longer. It comes with a stabilized 3-axis gimbal and sophisticated flight models. This can achieve up to 12 megapixel images, 2.7K Quad HD video, and complex cinematic shots with just a touch in the DJI Fly app. Also, it features up to 30 minutes of flight time on a full battery. Its included controller is designed to work with select Android and iOS smartphones, letting you efficiently fly the drone while maintaining a low latency HD video feed from the gimbal from all the way up to 2.5 miles away. With the Mavic Mini's downward vision system and GPS, it can precisely hover in place both indoors and outdoors. Thus, if you're looking for a portable drone to handle with ease, it would match your chart. The DJI Mavic Air is the best of both worlds. This foldable, pocket-portable drone was designed with travelers and outdoor enthusiasts in mind. It features a 3-axis gimbal-stabilized camera with a 1.2/3-inch CMOS sensor that shoots 12 megapixel still images, and it is capable of capturing 4K video at 30 frames per second that it can transfer at speeds up to 100 megabits per second, or store on its 8 gigabytes of internal storage. In terms of performance, it offers multiple flight modes, can reach a top speed of up to 43 miles per hour, and it offers a max flight time of up to 21 minutes. For safety and security, it uses an advanced flight control system that draws on several sophisticated technologies, including visual inertia odometry and advanced pilot assistance systems, to locate itself in 3D space, detect objects, and avoid collisions. With DJI's Go 4 mobile app for accessing settings, getting a telemetry readout, viewing a low latency video feed, as well as more advanced features such as accessing quick shots, active track, and more. In addition to traditional joystick style controls, you can fly the Mavic with a simple tap-based command, or you can use specific hand gestures. DJI's magnesium aluminum-clad Inspire 2 quadcopter is a powerful cinematic and photographic tool. Combining the Inspire 2 with separately available X4S and X5S gimbal cameras yields cinema-grade images, which can be recorded in high bit rates using H.264 and H.265 formats. All the recording functionality is processed by the Inspire 2's Cinecore 2.0 image processing engine. Not all the power to be found in the Inspire 2 is in the recording functionality. It can accelerate to 50 miles per hour in 4 seconds and reach a top speed of 58 miles per hour. And the Inspire 2 can follow fast-moving subjects for exciting sports and action footage. Built into DJI's flight autonomy system, objects in front of, below, and above the quadcopter can be detected and avoided automatically. A dual battery system prolongs the flight time to a maximum of 27 minutes, while self-heating technology allows it to fly even in low temperatures. Additionally, it has an upgraded video transmission system, which is capable of dual signal frequency and dual channel streaming video from an onboard FPV camera and the primary camera simultaneously for better pilot and camera operator collaboration. The Mavic 2 Zoom utilizes a low-drag aerodynamic body design for achieving speeds up to 44.7 miles per hour, a 4-cell lithium Po battery for up to 31 minutes of flight time, and a low-noise propeller for filming without being distracting. This power and performance are coupled with a variety of shooting modes and capabilities for cinematic results. This drone gives you the ability to get closer to the action thanks to its 24 to 48mm 2x optical zoom camera with a 1/2.3-inch 12 megapixel sensor. There's even a single tap aerial mode called Dolly Zoom that gives a Hitchcockian feel to your footage. To help keep the Mavic 2 Zoom safe and in control, DJI has provided OcuSync 2.0 video transmission technology that can transmit a video feed to the included smart controller from up to 5 miles away in Full HD 1080p quality. On the other hand, it has omnidirectional obstacles sensing that provides object avoidance with sensors on all sides of the Mavic 2 Zoom. The Mavic 2 Pro from DJI is a drone that balances power and portability along with professional quality visuals with the inclusion of a 20 megapixel Hasselblad L1D-20C gimbal camera. Its camera delivers a 1-inch CMOS sensor with an adjustable f/2.8 to f/11 aperture, support for a 10-bit D-Log-M color profile, and a 4K 10-bit HDR video capture. Its low-drag aerodynamic body design achieves speeds up to 47.7 miles per hour, a 4-cell LiPo battery for up to 31 minutes of flight time, and low-noise propellers for filming without being distracting. It possesses Hasselblad natural color selection technology, which gives you the ability to capture up to 20 megapixel aerial images in stunning 4K detail. The Hasselblad also supports the 10-bit D-Log-M color profile and 4K 10-bit HDR video capture. With a single tap, you can use your Mavic 2 Pro to capture stunning time-lapse shots in hyperlapse mode, processing everything automatically and saving you time in post-processing. With the Anafi 4K portable drone from Parrot, you can always take stunning aerial videos and pictures. It's a handy drone cheaper than the Mavic Air with an RRP of $699.99, and it proves with less pay it's enjoyable to use and fly. The ultra-compact and portable Anafi weighs a little over 11 ounces and can fit into a backpack. It's designed to unfold and start operating in less than 3 seconds. This drone features 3-axis image stabilization to help keep all of your footage and pictures stable and precise. With the addition of a 1080-degree gimbal, tracking AI, and a host of photo modes, it can give you professional quality results anytime, anywhere. With the ability to go from 90 to plus 90 degrees, its gimbal lets you take impressive low-angle shots, helping to make your videos stand out and opening a whole host of filming possibilities. Working with your Android or iOS smartphone and the FreeFlight 6 app, the compact and ergonomic Sky Controller 3 lets you take full control of Anafi's capabilities. On the other hand, this drone is engineered to resist winds up to 31 miles per hour, and it can reach speeds up to 33 miles per hour in sport mode. If you fancy the idea of flying from a first-person view perspective, but you don't wish to spend too much, then this lightweight, low-cost, GPS-equipped Parrot Bebop 2 is possibly your best starting point. It is a Wi-Fi-based mobile device operated RC quadcopter, capable of capturing 1080p aerial video and taking 4096 by 3072 resolution still photos. Its camera features an electronic image stabilization system that relies on a 3-axis motion sensor and a 180-degree fisheye lens from which it crops up full HD video. Rather than requiring a particular transmitter, it is controlled from an Android or iOS mobile device running the FreeFlight 3 app. In addition to letting you control the quadcopter, the app provides a real-time feedback preview from the flight camera, and you can even record a low-resolution feed directly onto your phone. The separately available Sky Controller extends the Bebop drone's Wi-Fi range up to 1.2 miles, and it features a hardware-based control pad as well as a holder for a tablet.